Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to WizKids, a show brought to you by Wonder Publish Magazine, where we speak with some of the brightest young talents from all over the world. Today, we have the pleasure of having a 10th standard student from Mumbai who studies in St. Paul's High School, Mira Road East School, Vrishti Vagasia. Welcome to Wonder Publish Magazine.
Thank you, sir.
So, Vrishti, your schools must be, opening now. So, is there any date your school has given to you?
No, sir, my school is not opening. We are just going on with the online
With online?
schooling. Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So, tell us about yourself to our audience.
Yeah. So my name is Vrishti Vagasia. I am in class 10th. My hobbies include playing different musical instruments, sketching, and reading. My aim is to become a doctor, and I also love being in the presence of nature because it's very soothing and relaxing for me.
Okay, that's great. So, you're not a sports person? You play any
Little
sports?
bit.
No? Okay, little bit.
We don't really play much, but I like running. Like in my
Running?
school competition, I used to win that.
Okay, that's wonderful. So, have you been watching Olympics?
No, not really.
You don't keep a tab? Not even other sports, cricket, nothing like that? Okay. So, that's great. So, speaking of your classes, I mean, you said that your online classes are still going on. So, what do you think of online classes and study materials that are in the form of ebooks and other online forms?
My online classes are going pretty well. And talking about ebooks and e-learning, I think that they are a really great method of learning, especially in this pandemic when everything's online. Students can learn anything that they want from the comfort of their home. So I think that they are really great, but I still do not really prefer reading ebooks until and unless the hard copy is not available.
Right.
So I think the real books.
Okay, wonderful. So, which is your favorite subject? Which books do you like to read the most?
So my favorite subject is science, and to be specific, chemistry and biology.
Oh, okay.
Because I've heard this like a saying that biology is a very selfish subject, and also it is the subject that I'm going to learn in detail in my higher classes. And this year's chemistry, I find it really interesting. So basically, I enjoy learning these subjects.
Why do you say that biology is a selfish subject?
Because like everything we learn is about our own body.
Okay. Can you elaborate on that? I mean, why do you find it fascinating?
Because like everything we learn about is our own body, and we get to learn about everything about ourselves, or the mysteries of this body, and about even the sometimes even the nature and stuff like that.
That's wonderful. So you're going to be pursuing biology in your higher classes, and hopefully you'll fight for a place in MBBS. I mean, right? You're going to look forward to that. That's wonderful. So, speaking of your other interests, you told us that you like to draw, you paint, right? So, when did you start this? And if you have anything to show, I mean, you can show us.
Yeah, so I started sketching like last year.
Yeah.
In this pandemic, because
Okay.
I had nothing else to do, so I started sketching.
Mhm.
And I discovered that it was like a little better than other stuff in that. So
So
I
you learned
enjoyed
it.
sketching.
So you learned it during the pandemic.
Yes, like
That's
by my
wonderful.
own self.
Wow. So you learned it through what? YouTube, other
YouTube.
apps.
Yes,
See, we
YouTube.
can learn a lot from internet nowadays.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Any other things that learned or sort of found out as you're also growing
I
up?
learned a new musical instrument, tabla.
Tabla, you
Yeah.
play. So
I'm
you're
still
learning.
learning at it, but
You're
learning.
learning yourself tabla again, or someone
Yeah,
teaches
I
you?
had a teacher, but now I'm self-learning it.
You're self-learning. That's amazing. So tell us, Rushti. I mean, first of all, what's the meaning of your name?
Vrishti means rain.
Okay, rain. All right.
Yeah.
That's good. So Vrishti, let's say if you were the principal of your school, right? Just imagine. So what would you do? Tell us.
And if I get that opportunity of becoming the principal of my school, then I will definitely improve it as much as I can. Like the students should not wait for the weekends to come and for the school to get over, right? And I will organize more events and activities
Okay.
because they are really, and I will also make a balance between the academics and the extracurriculum.
Right.
And I also classrooms more technologically advanced.
More technologically advanced. So
More
I'm sure your
technologically,
school must be doing all these things already, right?
yeah, little bit.
Little bit, but not to your liking. I mean, not liking. I
Yeah.
mean, not to your expectations. They can do better. So,
Yes.
what's the name of your principal?
Yeah, my name is Sudha ma'am.
Sudha.
All ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. I hope Sudha ma'am gets to see this, and
Yeah.
she'll see that her students have ideas, good ideas. They can think for themselves. So that's wonderful. Uh, Speaking of your teachers now, what kind of support did you get from your teachers during this pandemic? In what ways you were connected to them? I mean, apart from online classes.
Through Google Meet.
Okay.
And last year from August, September, we had started our online classes. And I
Okay.
think the teachers are really trying their best to study and to cope up with this online method.
Okay. They're doing their best. So you'll give them,
Yeah.
I mean, good marks out of 10. I mean, they are being doing good.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Any favorite teachers there? Would you like to mention?
No, I think that they all are equal imparting knowledge. So I
No, of
think
course
they
they're
all,
equal. Correct.
yeah.
Correct. So tell us about your, support from the household, your
Yeah.
parents, or
So
your
my parents,
siblings as well. If you have any siblings, tell us.
yeah, I have a elder brother and he always helps me in my homework. And if I have any doubts, I can even get it cleared there. So I think, and talking about my family also, they are really supportive. They always support in whatever decision I make. And if I make a wrong decision in haste or any such situations like that, they also correct me. So I think overall my family is pretty supportive.
So you say that your brother helps you a lot. So how old is your brother?
Yeah, he's 20 years old.
Okay, wonderful. So he's in college, I guess.
Yeah.
That's great. So he supports you. That's wonderful. So Vrishti, you said that when you take any decisions in haste, they remind you of not doing that and all other things. So what would you say? I mean, what are your core strengths, let's say, and your weaknesses that you're working on to improve?
Yeah, I'm working on to become faster in things, like I'm a little slow in doing things. So I'm working on that.
Slow in terms of what, movement or thinking, or what, writing, what,
No
learning?
movement, like eating or doing some work or anything like that.
Okay. Well, that's just temperamental differences. I don't think you need to focus on to, improve on that. I mean, that's fine. So, speaking of your friends now, who are your best friends, and how are you connected with them?
Yeah, so I have two best friends. I would prefer not to disclose their name, but I definitely have to say that I'm very lucky to have such awesome best friends.
Okay,
And we have been friends since almost like 10 years now.
10
So it's been a
years.
long, yeah, 10 years. And they're really funny and always make me laugh. And we stay connected through video calls and text messages. And
Mhm.
I hope that we get to meet each other soon because it's been a long time since we met.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. So,
Yeah.
so Vrishti, is there anything that you wanted to, speak about, talk about, which I didn't ask you? Now's the right time to say that.
I think that I would like to give advice for all the students that as we all are going with this online method and it's really a little hard to concentrate, but we should all try our best to concentrate and focus on our studies because the teachers are also trying their really best for us to to give knowledge, and we should also take that knowledge and
Correct.
apply it.
Correct. That's wonderful. That's a wonderful message, Rushti. Thank you so much for that. And thank you so much for your time as well. This was a fun session with you.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Thank you. And thank you, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode. Till then, subscribe to Wonder Publish magazine for more such content. Bye-bye. Thank you.